This year, apart from the flagship Google Pixel phones, we got the mid-range Pixels as well, named Google Pixel 3a and Pixel 3a XL. These phones did help Google improve its Pixel sales because they offered the same camera experience as the flagship Google Pixel 3. Well, Google seems to have no plans to not launch mid-range Pixel phones in 2020 because the renders of Google Pixel 4a are here that were shared by OnLeaks today. These renders reveal the design from every angle, but we have no information regarding the specifications yet. As you can see, there is a punch hole display on the front with the front camera cutout on the top left. This means the Google Pixel 4a is going to be the first smartphone from Google to feature a punch hole display. Since the renders show no speaker grill on the bottom chin, it is safe to say that there is no stereo speaker setup on the front. Also, the top bezel is not as big as the Pixel 4 series, so there are definitely no extra sensors for face unlock. The Google Pixel 3a and 3a XL featured the same camera hardware as the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, but that's not going to be the case with Google Pixel 4a. It still has a single camera on the rear compared to the Pixel 4 that has dual rear cameras. The camera as well as the LED flash are placed in a square camera module just like the Pixel 4, and this is a design that we are going to see with a lot of upcoming phones. The fingerprint scanner is also on the rear, so this means there is an LCD screen on the front instead of an OLED screen. Finally, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack on top that was present on the Google Pixel 3a series as well. While the specifications are not yet known, we can expect the Google Pixel 3a to feature Snapdragon 730 or any other 7 series SoC from Qualcomm. If the camera remains the same as the primary camera on the Google Pixel 4, then expect to see a 12.2MP camera on the 4a with f1.7 aperture and dual pixel autofocus. So what do you think of the design of Google Pixel 4a? Do let me know via the comments section below. I'll catch you in the next one.